In this video, I'll show you a structured way to boost your English. There are 3 simple steps. First, listen to a short story, something that can happen in real life. Second, practice with an easier dialogue made to help you speak more fluently. And last, well, you'll have to watch until the end to find out. Let's get started.
It was late Sunday afternoon. The bar near their house was packed. After all, it was the big final of the Club World Cup. On one side, Paris Saint-Germain, full of superstars. On the other, Chelsea, known for its solid defense. As expected, Jonas and Mike were already deep in debate.
There's no way they lose today, Jonas. PSG is going to crush them. The best attack in the world against a shaky defense? It's a done deal.
I'm not so sure, Mike. Football isn't won by names alone. Chelsea's defense is a system, a well-executed plan. They don't need flair, just discipline.
Come on, man. Football is about emotion, goals. You analyze everything like it's a financial spreadsheet.
Jonas just smiled. The referee blew the whistle. The match had begun. PSG dominated possession. They passed around the box, but couldn't finish. Chelsea defended as a unit, tight, compact, no space given. At 21 minutes, PSG made a bad pass. Chelsea recovered the ball.
Here it comes.
What? That was pure luck.
That wasn't luck, Mike. That was a counterattack. Exactly how they play. Strategy.
PSG started to unravel. 2 more counterattacks, and the game was basically over. Halftime score, 3-0.
This is insane. They don't play, they just defend and score. That's not even fun to watch.
It's their game plan working. They let the opponent have the ball, wear themselves out, then strike. Pure efficiency.
The final whistle blew. The Chelsea fans in the bar went wild. Mike sat in silence, stunned. As they left the bar, Jonas gently patted his friend on the shoulder.
That was a game of strategy. It happens.
Strategy? Sitting back and scoring on counters? That's no fun to watch.
Sometimes we do what we want, Mike. Sometimes we do what we have to.
Mike didn't answer right away. As he walked home, he reflected on the match, on how dazzled he'd been by PSG's stars, by the promise of a show. And he thought,
Funny. I wanted flair, goals, and drama. But what really won was a plan and discipline. And in life, especially with my money, I do the same thing. I fall for the flashy stuff, but in the end of the month, the real champion is the one with a solid defense and a strategy.
after the story, choose one character and repeat their lines. Practice in front of a mirror or with your phone. And tell us in the comments, are you more like Mike or Jonas? Now let's practice. You listen 2 times to how the characters say the words. Then, when you see you, it's your turn to repeat. At the end, we'll do a full dialogue and you will be Mike. Let's start.
Hey, how are you? Did you watch the game yesterday? Hey, how are you? Did you watch the game yesterday?
Yes, I did. My team lost, but they lost to the champions. Yes, I did. My team lost, but they lost to the champions.
That's true. At least you can say that. That's true. At least you can say that.
And I can say my team is better than PSG. And I can say my team is better than PSG.
What about Flamengo? What about Flamengo?
Flamengo is the real champion. Flamengo is the real champion.
But they didn't take the trophy home. But they didn't take the trophy home.
Yeah, these theories are always funny. Yeah, these theories are always funny.
That's what makes football such a great sport. That's what makes football such a great sport.
For sure, the best team doesn't always win. For sure, the best team doesn't always win.
Right. On a bad day, everything can go wrong. Right. On a bad day, everything can go wrong.
And it can go very right for the other team. And it can go very right for the other team.
Any predictions for the next match? Any predictions for the next match?
After this surprise, no way, I won't try again. After this surprise, no way, I won't try again. Yes, I did. My team lost, but they lost to the champions. And I can say my team is better than PSG. Flamengo is the real champion. Yeah, these theories are always funny. For sure, the best team doesn't always win. And it can go very right for the other team. After this surprise, no way, I won't try again.
Great job! You made it to the end. Now, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can watch this video again as many times as you need to remember the questions and answers. This lesson is based on the book Essential Grammar in Use by Raymond Murphy. And to keep practicing, watch the next video right here on the screen. Let's keep learning together.